Hi there. Hope you have a fantastic day. This lesson, I will teach you how to add algebraic expressions involving fractions. Of course, there's the PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. When we subtract or add algebraic fractions, we just do the same way as we add or subtracting fractions. So in another word, we need to find the lowest common denominator, okay? And then we subtract the numerator once the common denominator is the same, okay? So for example, part A. So a half of x, we add a half of x. So therefore, we have the same denominator. So we can just write in one fraction first, if you like. So it's easier. So that is exactly the same as equal to x plus x over 2. And we're just collecting like terms now. X plus x will give me 2x. So now we just add the numerator. That's all. Now x plus x is 2x. So we just write 2x over 2. So there you go. But then we can simplify this by 2 divided by 2. So that give me 1. That give me 1. So 1 times x is x. So x over 1. So the answer is x. So let me just write this down, which is equal to x. There you go. Part B. So the common denominator the same. Both are 3. So now we just write in one fractions, okay? So that becomes y minus 2y over 3. So now we just collect the like terms. So y take away 2y. So 1y minus 2y give me minus 1y. Okay, 2 minus 1 is negative 1. So negative 1y. So that is negative y. So minus or negative y over 3. But then we can write negative right in the middle. It look more simpler. That's all. Otherwise, should be correct as well. Okay, so negative y over 3. Part C. So there's the same common denominator. So in another word, the bottoms have the same number. So we can write in one fractions. So that means 2a minus a over 4. So now we just collect the like terms. So 2a minus 1a. So leave with 1a. But 1a is a. So that is a over 4. So there you go. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How do you go? Let me go through them with you. Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So part D. So we have the same common denominator. So both bottoms are 5. So we just write in one fractions. So that is equal to 3m minus 2m over 5. Okay, this is exactly the same. So therefore, that is equal to, now we just collect the like terms. So we have 3m minus 2m. So that give me 1m. 3 minus 2 is 1, but it's 1m. So 1m is m. So the answer is m over 5. There you go. Now part E, again, we have the same common denominator, that is 6. So we can write in one fractions. So that is same as p plus 2p over 6. So that is equal to 1p plus 2p will give me 3p. So 3p over 6. But then 3 over 6 we can simplify further because the 3 and the 6 both can divide by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that becomes 1 times p is p. So p over 2. So the answer is equal to p over 2. There you go. Part F, we have same common denominator, so we just write in one fractions, 4x minus 2x. That is over 7. So that will give me 4x minus 2x will give me 2x. 4 minus 2 is 2. So it's 2x. 2x over 7. There you go. Part G. So let me just write in one fraction first because they both are same common denominator. So we just go equal. So we just go 2a, we add 5a. So over 8, so that is, we just collect like terms, 2a, we add 5a. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So the answer is 7a. 7a over 8. So there you go. Part H. So let me just write in one fraction first. So that is 7x minus 2x. Because they both have the same common denominator. That is 9. So there you go. Now I just collect the like terms. 7x minus 2x. 7 minus 2 is 5. So 5x. So the answer is 5x over 9. There you go. Part I. We have 3m over 10 plus 4m over 10. They are the same common denominator. So I can just write like this. 3m, we add 4m. Everything's over 10. So that is, so we just collect like terms. So we have 3m, we add another 4m. So 3m plus 4m is 7m. So the answer is 7m over 10. There you go. Now, question number 2. So first of all, we need to find the common denominator first, okay? Because the denominators are different. So therefore, with 2 and 4, the lowest common multiple is 4. In another word, the lowest common denominator is 4. Because 4 is multiple of 2 as well, okay? So that means that is equal to, I can just write like that, 4, okay? All in one fractions. So that means from 2 to 4 is 2 times, because 2 times 2 is 4. So this means that we times 2 here to get 4. So therefore, the top or numerator must times 2 as well. So 2x, okay, 2 times x is 2x. So the answer is 2x. And from 4 to this 4 here, which is times by 1, because 4 times 1 is 4. So that means the top times by 1 as well. 1 times x is x. So there you go. So that will give me, which is collect like term, the 2x plus x. So 2 plus 1, give me 3. So 3x. So 3x over 4. There you go. Part B. So the denominator here is 3 and 6. So therefore the common denominator, the lowest common denominator, if you like, is 6. Because 6 is multiple of 3. So therefore, okay, the denominator is 6. The lowest common denominator, if you wish. So from 3 to 6, we times by 2 here. Correct? So this must times by 2. So y times 2, give me 2y. And 6 here is the same. So we just write that down. So minus y. So that is equal to, now I just collect the like terms. So 2y, we minus 1y. So 2y minus 1y is 1y. But 1y, we just write y. So y over 6. So there you go. Part C. The lowest common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So in another word, the lowest common denominator is 6. So that is equal to, I just write here, 6. So from 2 to 6 is 3 times, because 3 times 2 is 6. So we need to times 3 to get 6. So therefore, the top times 3 as well. So 3 times x is 3x. And we add, this is times 2 to get 6. So the top times 2. So add 2x. So there you go. Because 2 times x is 2x. Now we just collect the like terms. So therefore 3x and we add 2x. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is equal to 5x over 6. So there you go. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through them with you. So we have 2 and 4 here. So therefore, the lowest common denominator is 4 because 4 is also multiple of 2. So that means down here must be 4 because the lowest common denominator is 4. So from 4 to 4, I just times by 1. So the top times by 1 as well. So m times 1 is m. And from here to here, we times 2. Because 2 times 2 give me 4. So this must times by 2. So m times 2 is 2m. So we minus 2m. Let me clear this. So now we collect like terms. So we have m minus 2m. 1 minus 2 give me negative 1. Negative 1m. So the answer should be minus or negative. So m over 4. There you go. Part E. So we have 3 and 6 down the denominator. So therefore the lowest common denominator is 6 because 6 is multiple of 6 and 6 is multiple of 3. So that is equal to 6. So to get from 3 to 6, I times by 2. So therefore the top must times by 2. So 2x times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is 4x. And from 6 to 6, I times by 1. So the top times by 1 as well. So that is 3 times 1 is 3. So we add 3x. So now we just collect the like terms. So we have 4x, we add 3x. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So the answer is equal to 7x over 6. So there you go. Part F. So we have 3a over 5 minus 2a over 10. So the common denominator is 10 because 10 is multiple of 10 and 10 is multiple of 5. So keep that in mind. So that is equal to, that is 10. To get to 10 for 5, we times 2. So therefore, the top must times by 2 as well. So therefore, we have 3 times 2 is 6. So 6a, we minus. So this is 10 here, which is times by 1. So therefore, we just write 2a down. So now we just collect the like terms. So 6a minus 2a. 6 minus 2 give me 4. So the answer is 4a over 10. There you go. But then 4 and 10, we can both simplify further by both divided by 2. So that means we divide this by 2, that give me 2. We divide this by 2, give me 5. So that is 2a over 5. So that is equal to 2a over 5. There you go. Part G. So the lowest common denominator is 12 because 12 is multiple of 6 and multiple of 4. Okay. So that is 12. Let me write this down. This is 12. From 6 to 12, we times this by 2. The top times 2. So P times 2 is 2P. And 4 to 12, we times 3. So therefore, the tops times 3. P times 3 is 3P. So we plus 3P. Now we collect the like terms. 2P plus 3P. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer is 5P. So that is equal to 5P over 12. There you go. Now, part H, we have 8 and 12 is the denominator. So therefore, 24 is the lowest common denominator. So if I list like this, 12, next one is 24. We stop here. So 24 is the lowest common multiple of 8 and 12. So in another word, 24 is the lowest common denominator, okay? So let me just write this down. That is equal to, let me clear this first. So that is 24. So we times this by 3, because 8 times 3 is 24. So this must times by 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So 6y. And to get 12 to 24, we times 2. So therefore, the top, we times 2 as well. So 3 times 2, give me 6. So 6y. So we minus 6y. That is equal to, we'll collect like term now. We have 6y. We take away 6y. So the answer is 0. So 0 over 24. Let me write this down. 0 over 24. But then 0 divided by 24 is 0. So the answer is 0. So there you go. Part I, 6 and 19. So that should be 18, right? So 9, 18. So 18 is the lowest common denominator because 18 is also multiple of 6. So keep that in mind. So that is equal to, that is 18. So to get 18, I times this by 3. And so this one, we times by 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. So 15m. 9 times 2 give me 18. So the top times by 2 as well. So 4 times 2 is 8. So 8m. We plus 8m. Now we just collect the like terms. So 15, we add 8. 15 plus 8. So that means 15 plus 5 is 20. We add another 3, 23. So the answer is 23 m over 18. So there you go. Now, question number 3. So we do exactly the same manner. We just need to find the lowest common denominator. So first one, so we have 6, 3, 2. So 6 is the lowest common denominator in this case because 6 is multiple of 2, 6 is multiple of 3. So the denominator is 6. So to get 6 from 3, we times this by 2. So this time 2 as well. So 2x times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So 4x. And this 6 here, 6 to 6, we just times by 1. So that becomes 1 times x is x. So from 2 to 6, I times by 3. So therefore, the top, we times 3 as well. So therefore, we minus x times 3 is 3x. So there you go. Now, we just need to collect the like terms. So we have 4x. We add another x. Give me 5x. Then we take away 3x. So 5 take away 3 is 2. So 2x. So let me write this down. So 2x over 6. But then don't forget 2 and 6. We can even simplify further. Both can divide by 2. So now 6 divided by 2 give me 3. 2 divided by 2 give me 1. There you go. So now 1 times x is x. So therefore x over 3. So that is equal to x over 3. There you go. Now part B. So we know that the lowest common denominator is 8 because 8 is multiple of 4 and also multiple of 2. So 8 is the lowest common denominator. So let me write this down. That is 8. Now from 4 to 8, we times 2. So therefore, the top, we times 2 as well. 3 times 2 is 6. So the answer is 6y. And then this 8y over 8. So it's to to get 8 to 8, this one here, which is times by 1. So therefore, y times 1 is y. So we minus y here. And to 2 to 8, we times this by 4. So this needs to times by 4. Don't forget, okay? So therefore, 4 times y is 4y. We add 4y. So now, we just collect the like terms. So we have 6y, we minus 1y. So 6 minus 1 will give me 5. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So the answer is 9y over 8. There you go. Part C. So we have 5, 10, and 5. So we know that the lowest common multiple of 5, 10, 5 is 10. So therefore, the lowest common denominator is 10. So let me write this down. So that is equal to, so that is 10. To get 5 to 10, I times 2. So the top times 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. So 8, 8. So from 10 to 10, I times by 1. So this I times by 1. So 1 times a is a. So we add a. So from 5 to 10, I times 2. So therefore, the top times 2 as well. So 2 times 2, give me 4. So that is 4a. We minus 4a. So now I just collect like terms. So this 8, we add 1 8. 8a, add another a, give me 9a. We minus 4a, give me 5a. So the answer is equal to 5a over 10. But then 5 and 10 both can be simplified further by both divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 1 times a is a. So a over 2. So the answer is equal to a over 2. So there you go. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through them with you. So part D, the lowest common denominator is 6 because 6 is multiple of 3 and 2. So let me write this down. So answer is equal to 6. So from 6 to 6, I times by 1. So therefore, this time by 1. So 1 times 5 is 5. So the answer is 5m. This one, I times this by 2. I times this by 2. So 2 times m, give me 2m. So minus 2m. And from 2 to 6, I times by 3. Because 3 times 2 is 6. So I times this by 3 as well. So m times 3, give me 3m. So we add 3m. So there you go. Now we just collect the like terms. So 5, we minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So the answer is 6m over 6. So that is equal to 6m over 6. But then 6 over 6 is 1. We can simplify this, okay? So that give me 1 here. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So 1 times m is m. M over 1, okay? But then m over 1 is equal to m. So we just write m will do. There you go. Now, part E. So we have 8, 4, 8. Again, that is the denominator. So therefore, the lowest common denominator is 8. So I write equal to, I put that 8 first. From 8 to 8, I times 1. So top times by 1. So therefore, is 7p. So from 4 to 8, I times 2. This is times 2. So that becomes 2p. So we add 2p. And from 8 to 8, I times 1. So this is times by 1. So that give me 3p. So minus 3p. So now I just collect the like terms. So that means 7 add 2 give me 9. And 9 minus 3 is 6. So the answer is 6p over 8. There you go. But then 6 and 8 both can divide by 2. So I can simplify further. This divided by 2, give me 3. This divided by 2, give me 4. So 3p over 4. So that is equal to 3p over 4. So there you go. Now part F. So we have 10, 5, and 2. So therefore the lowest common denominator is 10. So that is equal to 10. So from 10 to 10, I times 1. So this time by 1. So 9q times 1. So give me 9q. And from 5 to 10, I times this by 2. So therefore, this time by 2. So 2 times q is 2q. So we minus 2q. And for 2 to 10, I times by 5. So this time by 5. So we add 5 times q is 5q. So there you go. Now I just collect the like terms. So we have 9q here. We minus 2q. 9 minus 2 is 7. And then 7, we plus 5. So 7 plus 5, give me 12. So the answer is equal to 12q over 10. But then 12 and 10 both can divide by 2, right? So therefore, 12 divided by 2 is 6. So that is, let me just cancel this. Give me 6 divided by 2, give me 5. So 6q over 5. 6q over 5. So there you go. Now part G, we have 12, 6, and 12. So the lowest common denominator is 12. So let me just write this down. That is equal to 12 here. So from 12 to 12, I times by 1. So this time by 1 as well. So that give me 11n. From 6 to 12, I times 2. So this time by 2. So n times 2, give me 2n. So we add 2n. Now from 12 to 12, I times by 1. So this I times by 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. So we minus 5n. So now I just collect the like terms. We have 11 plus 2. That give me 13. 13 minus 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Add 3, give me 8. So the answer is 8n over 12. But then 12 and 8 both can divide by 4. So 8 divided by 4, give me 2. 12 divided by 4, give me 3. So the answer is equal to 2n over 3. There you go. Part H. So the common denominator is 14. Okay, so let me just write this down. That is equal to 14. So from 14 to 14, I times by 1. So this time by 1. So that give me 13k. And from 7 to 14, I times 2. So this time 2. So that is minus 2k. And 14 here is the same. We just write this down. 3k. There you go. Now I just collect the like terms. So I can have 13k, take away 2k. 13 take away 2 is 11. And then we add 3. So the answer is 14. So the answer is equal to 14k over 14. So that cancel with this, give me 1. Because both 14 divided by 14 is 1. So the answer is k over 1. But then k over 1 is k. There you go. Part I. So we have 16, 8, and 16 is the denominators. So that means the lowest common denominator is 16 because 16 is also multiple of 8. So let me write this down. So that is equal to 16 here. So therefore, to get 16 to 16, I times 1. So this time by 1. So that means 15r. Now from 8 to 16, I times this by 2, right? So this must time by 2. So 2 times r is 2r. So we add 2r. 16 to 16, I time by 1. So this time by 1. So we minus 1 times 7 is 7. So 7r. There you go. Now we just collect the like terms. So 15, we plus 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. And we minus 7, give me 10. So the answer is equal to 10r over 16. So 10 over 16. Both can divide by 2. Okay, this divided by 2, give me 5. This divided by 2, give me 8. So now 5 times r is 5r. So 5r over 8. So the answer is equal to 5r over 8. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.